The 2025 Renault Astra is set to redefine the compact car segment with its bold design, advanced technology, and efficient powertrains. Renault has taken a fresh approach with the Astra, combining modern aesthetics with cutting-edge engineering. The exterior showcases a sleek silhouette with aerodynamic lines that enhance both style and efficiency. A signature LED lighting setup gives the front a striking appearance, with sharp, angular headlights that integrate seamlessly with the grille. The Renault emblem sits proudly at the center, surrounded by chrome accents that add a touch of sophistication. From the side, the 2025 Renault Astra features sculpted bodywork, with a dynamic shoulder line that runs from the front fender to the rear, giving the car a sporty stance. Alloy wheels with an eye-catching design add to its premium feel, while the sloping roofline contributes to its aerodynamic efficiency. The rear of the Astra continues the theme of modern design, with sleek taillights that extend horizontally across the trunk. A subtle integrated spoiler enhances its sporty appeal, and the bumper design ensures a clean and refined finish. Under the hood, the Renault Astra is expected to offer a range of powertrain options catering to different needs. A fuel-efficient petrol engine with mild hybrid technology will likely be the entry-level option, providing an optimal balance between performance and economy. For those looking for a greener alternative, a plug-in hybrid variant will be available, offering extended electric-only driving capabilities. Renault is also rumored to introduce a fully electric version of the Astra, aligning with its vision for sustainable mobility. The electric model would feature an advanced battery pack capable of delivering an impressive driving range, making it a practical choice for daily commutes and long-distance travel alike. On the road, the Astra is expected to deliver a refined and engaging driving experience. Renault has fine-tuned the suspension system to offer a comfortable ride without compromising on handling. Precise steering response and improved aerodynamics contribute to a smooth and controlled drive. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking will enhance safety and convenience. Stepping inside, the 2025 Renault Astra welcomes occupants with a premium and technologically advanced interior. The cabin has been meticulously designed to offer a blend of comfort, luxury, and practicality. High-quality materials are used throughout, with soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and metallic accents creating an upscale atmosphere. Ambient lighting enhances the mood, allowing drivers to customize the cabin's feel according to their preference. The dashboard features a minimalist yet highly functional layout, dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system. This high-resolution display serves as the central hub for all connectivity and entertainment features, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Renault's latest infotainment software offers an intuitive user experience, with voice recognition and AI-assisted controls ensuring effortless access to key functions. Behind the steering wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data in a crisp and customizable format. The driver can choose between different display modes, prioritizing navigation, performance stats, or media controls. The steering wheel itself is ergonomically designed, featuring multifunction buttons that provide easy access to essential controls without distraction. Comfort is a top priority in the Renault Astra, with seats designed to provide excellent support during long journeys. The front seats are not only well cushioned but also offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions in higher trims. Rear passengers will enjoy generous legroom and headroom, ensuring a relaxed ride for all occupants. The Astra's interior is designed with practicality in mind, featuring ample storage compartments, cup holders, and a spacious center console. Technology plays a significant role in enhancing the Astra's cabin experience. A premium sound system delivers immersive audio quality, making every drive enjoyable. Wireless charging pads keep devices powered without the hassle of cables, while multiple USB-C ports ensure connectivity for all passengers. The Astra also features a state-of-the-art climate control system that maintains the perfect temperature inside the cabin, with smart sensors adjusting airflow based on external conditions. Renault has also prioritized safety and driver assistance in the 2025 Astra. The car is equipped with an array of sensors and cameras that provide a comprehensive safety net. Features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking assist make maneuvering easier and safer. In addition, Renault's semi-autonomous driving technology allows for hands-free driving in specific conditions, reducing driver fatigue on long journeys. Cargo space in the Astra is generous, with a well-designed trunk that can accommodate luggage, groceries, or sports equipment with ease. The rear seats can be folded down in a 60/40 split, further expanding the available storage space when needed. This practicality makes the Astra a versatile choice for both urban and highway driving. Driving dynamics have been fine-tuned to provide a balanced and enjoyable experience. The Astra's suspension setup ensures a smooth ride over uneven surfaces, absorbing bumps and road imperfections with ease. The chassis is designed for stability, allowing the car to handle corners with confidence. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Astra maintains a refined and composed demeanor. Fuel efficiency is another highlight of the 2025 Renault Astra. With lightweight materials and advanced aerodynamics, the car delivers impressive mileage figures across its engine options. The hybrid and electric variants offer even greater efficiency, with regenerative braking helping to maximize energy usage. Renault's commitment to sustainability is evident in the Astra's design, with eco-friendly materials used in its construction and an emphasis on reducing emissions. Connectivity features ensure that drivers remain informed and entertained throughout their journey. The Renault Astra offers real-time navigation with live traffic updates, helping drivers plan the most efficient routes. Over-the-air software updates ensure that the infotainment system remains up to date with the latest features and improvements. Smart Assistant integration allows voice commands to control navigation, climate settings, and entertainment options, making the driving experience more intuitive. The Renault Astra is expected to be available in multiple trims, each offering a distinct set of features to cater to different customer preferences. The base model will provide a well-rounded package with essential features, while higher trims will introduce additional luxury and technology upgrades. Renault may also offer a sportier variant with performance enhancements for enthusiasts who seek an extra thrill behind the wheel. As Renault continues to innovate, the 2025 Astra stands as a testament to the brand's vision for the future of mobility. It seamlessly blends style, technology, and sustainability to create a vehicle that appeals to modern drivers. With its sleek design, advanced features, and efficient powertrains, the Astra is set to make a strong impact in the compact car market. Whether for daily commuting, long road trips, or urban exploration, the Renault Astra delivers an exceptional driving experience that meets the demands of the contemporary automotive landscape.